All right, Delhi Chief Minister has approached the Delhi High Court against his arrest. Arvind Kejriwal now challenges a 6-day ED remand that was granted to the ED by the Rouse Avenue Court. The Delhi Chief Minister now taking this matter up to the Delhi High Court, seeking urgent hearing from the Delhi High Court on the 24th of March. Arvind Kejriwal seeking some relief against arrest. He's currently in ED custody and he will be so until the 28th. But on 24th itself, he's asked for urgent hearing from the Delhi High Court against his remand. In fact, Kejriwal's plea says arrest and remand is illegal. He calls the arrest illegal and so he's doing, in fact, he's been calling the arrest illegal right from day one, and it appears this is what he said even in the plea now at the Delhi High Court after the Rouse Avenue Court granted ED his custody until the 28th of March. I'm cutting across to Amit Bharadwaj joining us for more on that. Amit, Arvind Kejriwal attempting a legal recourse. He's reaching out to the Delhi High Court now and hoping for an urgent hearing on the 24th of March against his arrest. Tell us more on what's part of that plea.
Nabila, we are bringing this exclusive breakthrough in the Arvind Kejriwal ED story. Now, we know for a matter of fact, the Rouse Avenue Court has given custody of Arvind Kejriwal to ED till March 28th. But at this moment, the big story, big development is that Arvind Kejriwal has approached the Delhi High Court. Arvind Kejriwal, in his petition, has challenged the grounds of arrest as well as the remand given to the Enforcement Directorate. And his lawyers are trying to get an urgent hearing by Delhi High Court Chief Justice. They are trying that the matter should be heard tomorrow itself on March 24th, and we'll have to see as to whether the Delhi High Court entertains this fresh application against the grounds of arrest and ED remand or not. But this is big development in the Arvind Kejriwal ED story after getting a setback from the Rouse Avenue Court after his custody has been given to the Enforcement Directorate. Now legal recourse has been sought by Arvind Kejriwal. He's approaching the Delhi High Court and he's clearly challenging the grounds of arrest as well as the remand given to the Enforcement Directorate. We'll have to see as to whether this application gets admitted in the High Court and whether the urgent hearing that has been sought by Arvind Kejriwal for tomorrow is given by Delhi High Court or not. And then comes the third stage as to whether the preferential application, that is that the Delhi High Court Chief Justice should be hearing this plea, is accepted or not. All these three things are under question mark right now. But big development, Arvind Kejriwal now approaches Delhi High Court against his arrest and ED remand. Nabila.
All right. Thanks very much, Amit, for joining us. Of course, at this point, Arvind Kejriwal is in ED custody. They have called him the kingpin of the Delhi liquor policy case and have sought custody for 10 days but were granted only 6 days. Arvind Kejriwal now reaching a higher court, the Delhi High Court basically, asking for relief from arrest, calling this arrest particularly as illegal and motivated.